Hi, I'm back at my school at Sacred Convent High School after like maybe more than 5 years, and I'm just been nostalgic right now because I used to play basketball there, and school has changed a lot. So let's see what's inside.
Okay. Hi, this is Harsh. You're listening in Harsh Music Factory, and look where we are. We are at Sacred Heart Convent High School, and this is my dream in the making. And let's see how this journey begins. Let's go.
तिथले सगळे टीचर लोक सगळं आम्ही तुझी नाव काढतो, आठवण करतो,
वाव.
सिस्टर लोक पण.
क्या बात है.
तू शाळेत आला त्याच्यामुळं आम्हाला खूप चांगलं वाटलं.
वाव.
येत जा हमेशा चक्कर मारत जा.
नक्कीच. आणि बाकीच्या मुलांसाठी काय मेसेज आहे?
बाकीच्या मुलांसाठी खूप चांगलं आहे. त्याला तर बनवलं तर खूपच चांगलं होईल.
येस, नक्की. Perfect. Now just look at this beautiful work. Just can't take eyes off over this. I hope you love this one. And this one. Wow. World Yoga Day. Superb, yaar. Alphas and speechless me. I'm just going with eyes due. So this is our activity room, and I am just gone with this beautiful art out over here. Just look this. Another level. हा बोला. काय नाव आहे तुझं?
अक्षता संभाजी मोरे.
कसं वाटते शाळा?
छान.
आणखीन कितवीत आहे तू?
7th.
Okay. And who is your favorite teacher?
All teachers.
All teachers. And how is your mom?
So much nice.
So much of nice. You are in which standard now?
I'm in 7th standard.
7th standard. Wow. I'm just happy to meet you. Huh? And any message you want to give to the students?
No.
Nothing? Okay, just keep smiling, right? Thank you.
Welcome.
Hi, so this has been always my dream, to give a speech out over here on the stage, but it was never ever been possible. But throughout all these days, I was just observing and radiating. Yeah, that's the mantra out over here. And I'm just speechless. It's amazing feeling. And like Sister Therese says, pain, patience, and perseverance. These three words, I have just lived it. And it took almost 9 years for me to reach at this moment. Just speechless. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm very glad to hear your voice, and I felt very proud of the viewing the short speech which you have just delivered in front of the school stage. It felt like the seedlings which is being sown by the teachers got sprouted, like bamboos and all. Immediately there will not have the shoots, but once it starts, it begins. I feel now you also have started in a very better and appreciable way. Fine, Harsha, keep it up. May God bless you.
Thank you so much. Experience the divine presence of God in you, and these words of Sister Tessy just takes us to the meditation moments. And yeah, everything is within, and anything that you dream for is going to happen for sure. And like I say, sapna shuru yahan, believe.
Yes, Harshal, I am back to see you in Sacred Heart again. As you seek one short inspirational message, this is what I wanted to tell you. As you mentioned earlier, that the divine presence, yes, we have to see the divine presence within ourselves and also in others. If we have this concept or the awareness, we will look at others respectfully and treat them just like God. Then, what you have learned from your alma mater, now it is a time to radiate to others. That is what the motto of the school says: absorb and radiate. Yes, keep it up.
Thank you so much. बोल काहीतरी. कुछ तो बोल. कैसे लग रहा है खेल के? फुटबॉल पसंद है क्या?
बास्केटबॉल.
बास्केटबॉल. ओके. और?
वॉलीबॉल.
ओके. क्या बात. Good. Hi, so this is the place where all the basketball players might be living their dream, and they might have done amazing work. especially Poorva and Asha. Oh, you did goal in your own post. That's so funny moment. Even I don't know how the basketball is played. But yeah, beautiful place, right? Look at this beautiful ground and what more to say यार, बहुत ही खूबसूरत है और इस पल को जीना शब्दों से beyond, you know, I always say that I get speechless. This is the reason. Maybe I'm too much emotional and I'm too much in love with the school. And no one can love school more than me, right?
मी सिक्रेट हायस्कूलमध्ये पिऊन म्हणून 24 वर्षापासून काम करते. या शाळेमध्ये प्रिन्सिपल, मॅनेजर, सुपरवायझर, शिक्षक, पिऊन लोक, मुलं इतके चांगले आहे, इतके बस कधी. आणि जे या शाळेत एक स्टुडंट होते तर खूपच चांगले होते. त्याच्यामुळे म्हणजे एक कुटुंब असं वाटतं की आपण एका कुटुंबात राहतो असं जाणवतं.
Thank you so much.
या शाळेची प्रवृत्ती एवढी आहे की पोरांचं डिसिप्लिन एवढं परफेक्ट आहे की एका लाईनीत जाणं, एका लाईनीत येणं, इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलणं आणि टीचरांचं हे असल्यामुळे एकदम डिसिप्लिन कडक असेल आणि पोरं वगैरे सगळ्यांचे पालक वगैरे सगळे एकदम चांगले लोक आहेत सगळे. त्यांच्यामुळे या शाळेचे प्रोग्रेसिव्ह खूप होईल आणि होईलच अशी ही शाळा आहे. मला बी आता इथे जवळजवळ 1.5 वर्ष झाले नोकरी करून, पण आपल्याला कधी कोणी काही बोललं नाही. सगळे आपल्या प्रेमाने, एका दिवशी आपण लेट आलो किंवा दुसऱ्या दिवशी नाही आलो तरी ते विचारतात की आप क्यों नाही आए, क्या हो गए थे, कहाँ गए थे. म्हणजे एवढे छान लोक आहेत भाऊ.
Thank you so
Okay.
much. Say something, give a message.
Thank you so much for everything.
I'm so delighted. Yeah, it's okay.
All right. This is the day, moment of the day.